break and come back and fly with me.
That was like an orgasm.
I tell you, isn't this the coolest thing?
This is incredible.
There's nothing better.
Outstanding.
Besides, you can show her the tape and she can hear your thoughts on the
Don't get me in trouble. Outstanding.
I know, Fred, I have a sneaking suspicion that you get yourself in trouble.
You may be right.
In fact, you can see that big white stripe now around the bottom of the rocks, the old water level. Come on, Ida Canyon, which is a canyon, back off to the left side here. If we get up a little further, if you look back off the left, you'll see where the Colorado comes around the corner of the lake, big dramatic color change. Sort of coming out of now won't be as quite as the Colorado is actually Spanish Red River because of the color of the sediment that carries out. You see there where it hits in with the lake, all that sediment just starts to settle down to the bottom. This canyon about 600 feet, at one point dropped to 380 from all the dirt being deposited right there. Bluegill, catfish, stripers, walleye. And off the left front, this large green area was all underwater only about 5 years ago because of the drought. It's back down on the corner. See the old shore around the outer edge. That's just sediment ponds of the lake, and the river met just like it did back here, and all the dirt spread out, made some real nice fertile fields. There's a road down to an old boat ramp right here. At one point you could put your boat right on Lake Mead right there. The most recent, well-known that I've heard of anyway is Thelma and Louise.
Okay, yeah.
That show. And Mission Impossible is up in Moab, a little further. That's one of the other places we go.
Okay. It really looks like another world, really, out here.
It does, yeah.
Rick, is this a private landing strip out here?
It's not private, it's open to the public. It's the Pierce Ferry Airstrip.
It's a what?
Planes out there, but every once in a while I get somebody comes out, utilize it.
Why would they come out here? I mean, what do they do? Why would they fly out here?
Just to look at the scenery, I'll land, take a break right there.
Okay. What town is this over to the right?
That's the town of Meadview, Arizona. Got sort of an interesting start in the 40s as a land scam. Investors sold all that property over there as lakefront property. Folks got out here and realized it wasn't quite as lakeside as they were promised. Figured they'd make the best of it, and they put trailers and mobile homes up there, and that's how that started. But a lot of benefits about living over there. You got your special boat ramp here off the left. You can put your boat right on the Lake Mead. See, they can't get a break. They have no water rights to Lake Mead, Colorado, so they have to have their water trucked in. But the nice part about it, you can still buy real estate in there, same price now as what it was in the 40s.
Yeah.
You ready to buy?
That sounds like that joke I heard a long time ago. Buying lakefront property in the desert.
Yeah.
found out here?
Yeah, mostly marine life right here in the canyon section.
Yeah.
I can feel the anticipation building.
Yeah. The music selection helps. Look at that.
And we'll welcome you guys to the Grand Canyon National Park.
That's incredible.
It's going to get better.
You did. You kept your promise.
Would you believe me if I told you it's going to get even better?
Yeah, I believe it.
You said, all right.
Since I was there. Oh, this is so gorgeous.
Grand Canyon, 277 miles long, over a mile deep on the east end, 3/4 of a mile here on the west.
Wow.
Varies between 2 and 18 miles wide. Everything on the left side or the north side of the river is a national park with 1.2 million acres. Everything on the right or the south, the Wallapai Indian Reservation with 1 million.
What do we think caused this big gouge in the earth?
Say that again?
What do we think caused this big gouge in the earth?
Colorado River.
The river.
According to biologists, or not biologists, but geologists, originally this is all up on the ocean floor, which is why it's so hot up here.
Yeah.
And after the ice age and the ocean subsided, the river started coming across the plateau about the height that we are, just sort of like running your hose in your backyard. It starts carrying the dirt out little by little. 6 million years is how they figure that it took Colorado to cut this canyon. And it's still growing day by day. You can see all the dirt down there at the bottom.
Yeah.
And it grows sideways too, from all the water coming off the top and running down these washes and then pushing all the dirt down the Colorado and continue to carry it out. Up off the right foot here, this little building on the ridge line, the Wallapai Indian Reservation Special Event Center. They have numerous ceremonies in there throughout the year. Few of the bus tours will come on a daily basis, but most of the rest of the big tour companies about another 90 miles into the canyon. That's where they have all the mule rides, the hiking trails. Just to the left of that building, there's 2 towers right there on those peaks. Those are known as the Bat Towers. They got their name from a tram system that went all the way across the canyon, where a company that was here harvested bat guano or bat droppings for fertilizer.
Bat dropping?
Yeah. The company went bankrupt when a military jet came through and hit the wires. It was Blue Angels out of the Navy in the late 60s. Jet actually made it back to Nellis Air Force Base, but the company went bankrupt and the only thing left there is the 2 towers now.
Interesting. So the military
Yeah, it was the Navy.
maneuvers in here?
Not anymore.
Okay.
Too many helicopters in here on a daily basis. Airplanes.
So that's another one of your company helicopters down there? About 12 o'clock, 2 hours? About 12?
Sorry about that. I was talking on the radio. What was that?
That helicopter.
Yeah.
Yours?
No, that's a different company.
Okay.
So, Rick, how many tour companies are operating out of the Grand Canyon?
There's only 3 that can actually land down in the bottom. Maverick, Maverick, and Maverick. But I think there's 12 that can actually fly the route in the canyon, but only 3 that have landing rights with the Wallapai Indian Reservation.
Oh, wow.
Where does that, the Grand Canyon train that comes in, what point?
About another 200 miles into the canyon.
Okay. So this canyon is really, the only way to see it is by helicopter, right?
On this end, yes.
Has all of it been explored?
Well, there's just where we're going to take you guys. Almost guarantee if you walked off about 200 yards, you'd probably be stepping where no man's ever stepped before. The only way in the bottom here is my helicopter.
Wow.
Now we're just going to be landing here at the Canyon West Airport. We're going to land and put some fuel on board. And when we have you guys exit the aircraft, you can switch around seats if you'd like. Feel free to stretch your legs. Just please stay real close to the helicopters. The reservation prefers we stay in our helipads. They've got some no trespassing signs and sort of fenced us off into the area. Also, if you need to smoke, if you can hang on to that for about another 10 minutes till I get you down to the bottom. Got about 10,000 gallons of jet fuel up here that doesn't do real well with lit material, but as soon as I get you down to the bottom, you can relax and enjoy yourself. Welcome you guys to the Grand Canyon West International Airport. All right, about buckled in, ready to go again?
Yep. Yeah, that's what the camera's saying.
Outstanding. Did you select the music yourself? Sorry.
All right, y'all ready?
Ready?
Are you sure you're ready?
Oh, no. Yep. Uh-oh. Set me up. Wow. Wow. Hey, wait now. This is too spontaneous. Oh, man. Now, this can't be recorded. You remember you said that.
Everybody's great up front.
You better be glad I didn't see walls. This is incredible.
It's okay, Fred. You can let go of my hand now.
Outstanding. Oh, man. Oh, wow. Yeah, you do have to slam with the dramatic. I gotta tell you. Isn't that beautiful? Wow.
I got to make this a trip you'll remember.
Hey, you've already done your work.
Oh, that's
You want to go home now, is that what you're saying?
Oh, look at that. Oh, man. Wow. Now, nobody can get down in here and walk, is that right? How can you get access?
That's it. There's no access.
Nobody can get access to this. This is amazing. Can anybody get a boat down in here?
Yeah, there's raft trips that come down in.
Okay.
Special river boats.
Yeah.
Still with us back there, Janet?
Oh, I like it.
Fred's not saying a whole lot right now.
He's getting that orgasmic.
Oh, man. Oh, this is absolutely incredible. Those little caves. Oh.
Okay.
It's beautiful.
We're landing here?
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Oh,
Man. Look at that. Oh,
Out of
picnic
sight.
tables and stuff. Look at this. Incredible.
Oh, this
Oh, incredible. Wow. Look at this. Oh, man.
Well, welcome to the bottom of the Grand Canyon.
Wow.
Now,
Whoa.
give me just a second to wound down, you guys, and we'll get you out. Now, be real careful. There's a lot of loose rocks down here, and it's real easy to twist your ankle and fall off the 400-foot drop beside us. So
I don't think we want that
don't
experience.
let anybody back up taking a photograph and disappear.
Absolutely.
There's a lot of paperwork involved. I'll have to do it again this week.
Just the paperwork involved. Outstanding. This is the altimeter.
I'll be all ready to go.
All right. Isn't it? All right.
Now, weren't our spots a lot prettier than those?
Yes, they are. Those look dinky by comparison. They can't land in your space.
No. Each company has its own section down. We're actually on the Wallapai Indians right now to get a little further into the canyon. As you can see, we're the furthest into the canyon. We're trying to go even further now.
So the Wallapai Indians, they actually control the canyon.
The south side. The south side. Everything on this side of the river.
Okay. Controls the north side.
The National Park Service.
Okay.
$10,000 fine, and we'll keep your license if you land on the north side of the river. Emergency. We can fly over it as long as we stay at an altitude and stay on a specific route, but anything beyond that.
But that is glorious. Weird looking. Will mess up your mind. Brad, you were talking about a spiritual experience. This is a spiritual experience. Wow.
you guys are saying. I switch it to inside camera. That's what it's recording.
Incredible. It's most of the canyon in Nevada